What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that we change, but it feels kinda strange that you're not in my life. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a try-on haul for you guys. Now you know what try-on hauls are and how they work, so I'm just gonna dive right into it. So I'm super excited for this one because these are all the purchases that I did post lockdown, and also these are not like purchased in like one go. I mean, मैंने ये around 15-20 days के period में लिए थे, and also मैंने like I think 3-4 months of shopping नहीं की है. Same goes for you guys, I think. And after that, just going online and just choosing these pieces and putting them in the cart was like therapy. But I'm super excited to show them to you guys. So these include brands like Zara, H&M, Marks and Spencer's, and few other pieces here and there. So let's get into it. So the first one is Zara. If you know me, you would know I am a sucker for their pieces. You must have seen a lot of them in my Instagram home photo ideas episode 2 video. So the first one I'm going to show is what I'm wearing right now. I wanted to like have some shirts in my wardrobe, which I absolutely love styling. So I was just looking on like Zara ki website, and I was like scrolling through it, and I saw this one and I was like, listen, this is a casual shirt, yet I can like pair it with something fancy and make it like entire party, because it has this sheen and you know it is like a silky material, so it looks really posh and like really classy. Also, I'm gonna link all these items in the description box below, so if you want to check it out, and if I don't find any like specific link of any of the pieces, then I'm gonna try and find some similar pieces for you guys. Yeah, so the second one is this gorgeous top. I remember when I wore it in my Instagram home photo ideas video. A lot of you guys asked me like, where did I get this from? So it's also from Zara. It's a beautiful neon yellowish green kind of a top. I mean, you can't really identify like if it's yellow or it's green. It's like a mid lemon color. I love this piece because it has like a zip on the side seam, and it has this ruffle kind of a detail which makes it a very good fit. And of course, like the length is like a crop top. But I mean, when I saw this, I was like, listen, this will look amazing with my white pants. It can also be used with like Indian wear, because it gives a very blouse kind of a look, like a sari, like a beautiful net sari. Like I imagine it that way. So I was like, listen, I have to get this, and maybe like due to this I'll wear Indian. So fancy. So yeah, this is the second one. Mickey Mouse tea. Oh god, like I am such a tea person, like not like tea person, but like a t-shirt person. It has a very rustic kind of a look, and of course like Mickey Mouse cannot go ever wrong. Most of the time you'll see me wearing t-shirts. So this was something which I knew that I'm gonna really use it to the core till the time it gets torn or something happens to this. I have also used it in my hairstyles video, so you must have seen it there. Okay, so the next one is something which was definitely out of my comfort zone, because you will rarely like see me wearing denims. You know what came to my mind when I saw it on the website? I was like, if you've seen the movie Clueless, and there's this scene where Shade, Alicia Silverstone, so she had this dress on, which was a white dress, and there was this scene where her daddy, and she's going for a party, and her daddy is like, Shade, come here, and then she's like, what's up, daddy? And then her dad is like, what are you wearing? And she's like, a dress. And then he's like, says who? So she says, Calvin Klein. So, you know, this is one of those kind of dresses, like very good quality and very nice looking dresses. And of course, the fit was amazing. Again, you must have seen this in my Instagram home photo ideas. I am the kind of a girl, guys, जैसे like वो होता है ना जो babies को toy मिलता है, and then they're obsessed with that toy and they want to just show it around and wear that new dress everywhere. I'm that kind of a person. So immediately when I got this, I was like, listen, I want to wear this in my this wala short. I want to wear this in this wala short. But yeah, I absolutely loved how it looked in the pictures too. So the next one I want to show you is a pair. I mean, I didn't see it as a pair on the side, but when I saw both of these pieces, I was like, listen, this and this, like if I combine it, it will look so good. So yeah, I bought it like a set. So if that makes any sense. So yeah, if you know me, you would know I am a hoarder for pink. Okay, I love pink, and not even like pink, but like a very particular kind of a pink. So this was that color, and I was like, I have to get this, please come to me. So this is an amazing short, and if you have seen the trend going on like of paper cut, so waist, paper cut waist, so this is that trend, and I absolutely love this piece. Like, look at it, it looks such a gorgeous shorts. And I absolutely love that it has like a tie-in thing here, and all of these things which have like these little details look amazing, and like when you're styling it with something, because it gives that you don't even have to do anything about the look. Like, it automatically gives you that, oh, I tried look. So this is one of those pieces. Now with this, I saw this gorgeous color top. I mean, look at it, like look at the color and look at them together, so gorgeous. And to be honest, I'm gonna tell you a secret, and I'm gonna confess something to you here. They didn't have my size in it, so there was no XS and there was no S. So the only size that was available was M, but it was also on discount. So when I saw it, I was like, listen, I am gonna thrift it, okay? Like, I'm gonna maybe like cut the seam here and just seam it again and give it a better fit to my body. I love it. I'm like a baby right here. So the next one is this beautiful slip dress kind of a look and style. I absolutely love the print on it. It's a very summery kind of a print. And also the colors, I mean blue and white, it gives very fresh वाला look. तो जब मैंने ये देखा, I was like, summer तो चली गई है, but at least I can make my outfits look cute. So what I also like about this dress is this detail of like these tassels and then tying it on your shoulders. So that looks very cute. So yeah, and also these have like buttons here. So in all, it's a very cute dress. Count the number of times I've said cute in this video, please, and tell me. But yeah, this is a very gorgeous dress, and I just had to get it because dresses are my thing. Like, I think dresses don't require any, you know, like effort. Like, just pehno and you look cute. How many times? 34? Okay, great. So now the next piece is again a shirt. So, you know, imagine like wearing this like shirt with like a denim shorts and just tucking it inside, or maybe like a jeans, like a denim jeans. Yeah, I just said that I don't wear denim jeans, but I'm gonna try it now, promise. So this is a very good color. I mean, I haven't seen these kind of shirt colors. So I thought this would be a good experiment for me to even come out of my comfort zones of whites and greys and neutral shades. So yeah, I definitely had to give this a try. Like, shorts are very versatile and they can be used n number of ways. Maybe I'll like make how to wear a shirt in like n number of ways video. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Now finally we come to the last piece from Zara, which is this dress. It's such a cute dress because it's actually a romper, which I didn't know, to be very honest, when I purchased it. But when it came home, I saw that it is basically a divider. It has a very loose fit to it, but there is this beautiful belt, like this tassel kind of a thing, which you tie here, and it looks very different when you wear it. Like, it gives that loose but it cinches on your waist kind of a feel. So it like satisfies both my obsessions, which is of dresses and loose comfy like things. Also, just look at this color, like this minty sea blue color actually, you know. It's very gorgeous. Like, you look at these beaches on your travel inspiration Pinterest boards. This is that kind of a color. So now we come to H&M. So मैंने H&M से वो सारी चीज़ें ली हैं जो बहुत ही like necessities थी, like बहुत ज़रूरी चीज़ें थी, and I just had to like buy them. So one of them was shorts, like घर के shorts. So I got this one. It's a very gorgeous looking like shade. I love this beige color. It has pockets. None of my ghar ke shorts has pockets, so I mean, not like I'm gonna put my phone there and roam around in the house, but still, like, it's definitely better. If suppose you're going to the market and you just want to keep some change, then you can keep it in the pocket. Otherwise, I had to like carry a bag or something. The next thing that I got are socks. I know I am not gonna wear socks in this weather, and especially at home, but I was like, I looked at these colors and I have never seen these colors in any of the H&M stores, and I was like, listen, I'm just going to invest it for the future. I'm looking at the future right now, and this is what I see myself wearing in the future for like gym and everything. So I absolutely love these colors. They have like again, pink, shades of pink and shades of white and shades of gray and shades of black. You just know my tones now. So this is my liking. So this is something I got. Also, I finally got a few new jewelry pieces for my wardrobe, like addition to my collection. So the first one that I got is this beautiful neck piece. It has 4 layers actually. Yeah, 4 layers, and I absolutely love these 4-layer kind of pieces because you don't have to like pair up 2-3 of your neck pieces, which I used to do, and then it bunches up at the back, which is really irritating. But yeah, like this is something which is very good and very trendy these days. Okay, this was one, and I also got another one from H&M only. Now, अब ये भी तुमने like बहुत देखे होंगे on Instagram and Pinterest and up. It's a very simple one-layered but a thick kind of a neck piece. It basically amps up your look like in just one jewelry piece, which is really beneficial for like, you know, styling purposes and stuff. And if you really want to lift up your look, the best way to do it is through jewelry these days. So yeah, I wasn't a jewelry person, but times are changing. 2020 has changed me. So the next 2 pieces are from Only. So the first one from Only is this gorgeous color, again like very greyish beige. I absolutely love this because of how simple and very like you can just wear it on like pants or something, or like a lower, and just go to the market or just go out, and it's so nice. Like, and the material is a very hosiery kind of a material, so it gives a very like very put together and fitted look, you know, to the body. So I really thought that this would be a great buy for regular purposes. So, and the second one, do I have to even tell you about my, you know, my choice of palette now? I mean, look at this color. It's so my color, and I absolutely love the neckline. Like, this is something which is different to my liking. V-necks is something I don't experiment a lot with. The material is again the same material as the previous one, and both are like kind of like similar kind of styles. Just that the neckline is different and the color is of course different. So again, same purpose, just wear it on a pant or jeans also, and just tuck it inside and you're good to go. Okay, now the last clothing item that I have to show in this haul is from M&S, Marks and Spencer's, for those who don't know. And just imagine like wearing this with like open hair and glasses and just tucked in jeans, and maybe like wear shoes or maybe like heels also with it. It'll just lift your look like from 100 to 200. So yeah. The next 2 items are from this place Zivaro. I will link their Instagram handle right down below so you can check it out. But they have all these amazing brands under them, like Carlton London, Tommy Hilfiger, they have Gap, they have USPA. So all amazing brands, and at a very good reasonable like discounted price. Like some pieces you will get in like 60%, 70% off. So really good prices. And I got both the pieces from Carlton London. So you can also use my code Kriti96 and you will get a discount. So the first piece that I got are these pair of shoes. Now I used to see all these like people wearing this style, like this particular style of shoes, even though I am a shoe girl, but I used to always think that I don't know if I can, you know, pull this off. But मैंने जब उनकी site पे देखे, I was like, listen, I have to like try this one because of the color. I mean, it's golden, and it will definitely amp up any look. Like even if you're wearing like jeans and a white simple top na, like t-shirt or anything, just wearing this will like amp up the look. And the next one that I got is also from Carlton London. So I got this beautiful bag, which is so gorgeous. Look at it. Just look at this beauty. Like, it's so gorgeous. I love the print. It's like one of those prints which will go on any outfit. मतलब कुछ भी पहनोगे ना, कोई dress पहन रहे हो, कोई simple spaghetti and jeans पहन रहे हो, this is a kind of a bag which will just kill that look. So yeah, and it is something which is a good size also, क्योंकि मेरे हमेशा you know देखती हूँ कि मेरा phone आना चाहिए, मेरा wallet आना चाहिए, or maybe glasses like sunglasses. So these are 2-3 things that I am at like necessity, and like maybe car key or something. So this is a kind of a size which will really be handy, and it has a back pocket also. So yeah, definitely good. So the last thing before we end this video, I really want to show you my skincare items that I got post lockdown, because mine were getting over and I really wanted to stock them up. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys what I got. So the first one is of course My Clinique Moisture Surge Intense. This time I invested in the intense version because my skin is super duper dry, guys. Like super dry. So I apply these during the day, so it definitely keeps my skin very hydrated and, you know, supple. The next one that I got is this Belif First Aid Overnight Skin Regeneration Mask. This is something I apply at night. If you want my skincare routine, then you can go and watch my skincare video. I will link it right here so you can go and watch that. What I love about this is how thick it is. I mean, even a little bit of the product will just make your skin very hydrated and will last you throughout the night. Another thing that I really wanted to try is vitamin C serum. If you have any information about skincare, you will know that vitamin C serum is the best product for your skin, and it's the most effective product which you can apply for your skin. So this is the hyaluronic and vitamin C serum. It brightens and plumps skin tissue to keep it soft and dewy smooth. And the last thing that I'm going to show you guys is something that I got from Forest Essential. It's very important to try a particular product for a month to actually know if it is doing anything to your skin and it is what difference is it making for your skin. So I got travel sizes. So I really wanted to, basically I want to try their cleansers and toners. And also sunscreen. I'm literally not using sunscreen these days because mine is over. So I thought I'm gonna invest in this one. So I will try their products also with this and their travel size. So they're basically for about a month or two. So this will be good for me. So this has cleanser, facial toner, sunscreen lotion. This is facial cream, this is lip balm, and this is facial scrub. Also, I don't have scrub these days. So I thought like this would be a perfect pack for me so that I can like just try all these products and see what works for me, and then I can invest the bigger version of the same product. So that's it guys, that's it for my haul video. I know you guys have been requesting for this video since my Sarojini Nagar haul. I got quite a few bunch of comments on that one to make this one, but yeah, it was long due. I finally got to filming it. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below if you have any other video requests for me to shoot next or whatever. There are some amazing videos coming on my channel soon, so stay tuned for that. I'm starting a very new series on my channel which I'm very excited about. It's something that I have always thought of including it on my channel and making it a major part of it. So stay tuned for that. A very good surprise is there for you guys, and it'll be a long-term thing. So yeah, hold on to it. Also, please do subscribe guys if you're new here to be on this journey with me. I would love to have you on my channel again and again. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye. Stay safe.